Today we're gonna make this flavorful antipasto salad. To get started on making our antipasto salad, we're gonna start with all of our ingredients that I have chopped up here. We have salami, I'm gonna add that to the bowl. Cubed mozzarella, add that. We have Kalamata olives, or you can use black olives, whichever you prefer. I have green olives sliced there. I have marinated mushrooms, marinated artichokes, red pepper, and cherry tomatoes. So easy, just prep all these ingredients. So we have them in our bowl, and now we have to make our dressing. So we have a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. We're gonna do a teaspoon of dried oregano, a teaspoon of salt, and I have a teaspoon of pepper. I'm gonna whisk this together. To make our dressing. And now we're gonna pour it on top of our salad. I'm gonna mix this. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, easy. Make this ahead of time. It even tastes better when the marinade is all over the ingredients here. We'll leave that there. To serve it, I'm gonna chop up some fresh basil. Pour that on, put the basil on top. And even to make it beautiful, I'm gonna put a little basil right there before I serve our salad. And this is ready. For the full recipe, visit nikkikleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more entertaining tips.